Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Let's open the app. Once you open the app, tap on More, then scroll down and tap on Garmin Devices. Here select your Venu 3S from the list. Now tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, then tap on Remove Device, and then tap on Remove. Once you see this pop up on the screen, tap on Settings. It will direct you to the connected devices. Here you should see your watch on the list of other devices. Tap on it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device. And now you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from a phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.